So let's go upstairs. Oh my gosh. It's so hot inside this house. That's the bathroom. Okay.
Look, Mommy.
Oh. Is that... Okay. This is a small bedroom where we're gonna keep the kids' clothes and toys. There's a closet there. And in this bigger bedroom, we're gonna keep both their blinds. I mean, both their bunk beds. Nice, nice, nice. This is going to be our guest room. There's the queen bed. Little closet there. Let's see the view from the guest room. So this overlooks the front of the house. And the neighbor. And then finally, the love nest. Our room. Okay, we have a bathroom.
Then
There.
show me where it is.
Closet.
Okay.
Walk
I
in.
want something.
Where's the light? Oh. Okay. Whoa, blurry. Well, it is a walk-in closet. It's nice. And here's the bedroom. Her stuff. You guys can play though?
Yeah.
Have fun. Don't get it on the bed, okay? And we are right above the garage. Our bedroom is. So we also overlook the driveway and the neighbor's house. Cool. So this is our home.